Hello, good morning, respected dear students and parents. Right now, we are preparing for the civil service examination, and seriously, then after I can explain the topic for diplomacy by the state. Diplomacy of the state for the foreigner economics policy is no longer a central pressure by within the emergency of the diplomacy by the state. Economic globalization by has made it possible for the state to interact by with respective of the investor by the foreign countries in the de facto sense. If you are due sense investment by promotion by the activity award by indicated this is a fact such incentive by the have helped some of their economic development and they reduced by their financial depends on the center the decision on the Gujarat government in the 2014 set of the internal desk by independently in the US, China, Japan and facilitating by this investment of the Varanti Gujarat by the over by the investor of the perhaps in the first attempt by the state of the start over see the faculties in the attract FDI directly. These paragraphs add that many important the course the first foreign Gujarat state is the investment by the foreign investor because first 2014 related to the Gujarat government ready for the investment international and then after but a decision for the central government any types of business and trade in the other country then after central government authority but state government is not authority because India it is a federalism follow this rule and regulation in this India all states so however such as the enterprises and many also rise issue by the sovereignty by insecurity for the country considered by the India and largely surrounding by the neighborhood who has hostile when to be faced by challenge of according to the depend on the opening to further the globalization to economic with related to the security cancer. So dear student, however the efficiency by security I command the country considering by the India largely the surrounding by the neighborhood all challenge sacrifice all challenge and demand of the central government any types of trade control this union government and what to do what not to do it is a decision for this you have to decision the central government you do not have to state government decision because India is a federalism follow the rule regulation and then the center therefore has no more than responsible by the complex role by the perform in the granting of the listen to the our case entry. It has no exam of the proposal from the many angles. It is not limited to solely into business. Profit is maybe bring by the estate coffee whereas the complex by the examination of the may not be appreciated by the state government and the center may be constructed to asking to the much time to not be acting as per the wish of the state government. Often the state government may be feel that center interfering by the generalism where the center to adopt it to the large view of the will benefit of the most all the citizens irrespective by the state position of the Article 256 by the Indian obligate by the state government by the exercise in the executive power of the ensure complaint with this power this state. If you know that dear my students, state government are not supported by the power Article 256 related to the executive. Executive is a central provided by the any types of decision and to fast and this executive and then control the situation, and then after law made by parliament and the many existing by the law which is applied in that the state. If the state government to do so, the executive by the power of the union can be get given direction on state government and Indian first by the necessary. India state responsibility by power is but state is not used for power but executive is powerful because union government are the direct direction and control this any types of situation. So, dear students, a president can be imposed by president rule of the state by which refuse the enforce the law against the center direction under the Article 356 or the take conscience of the Article 365. The reading by the was well evident by the S.R. Bommi as a union of the state positioned by the Indian federalism destabilized. So precedent are the 300 Article 56 and Article 365 what decide for the rule and the law improve the state refuse the enforce. Next, dear my students, in the topic, what is the conclusion in the, what do you understand the way forward? This line said that a division and larger country, India require a proper balance into the six pillar of the federalism autonomy of the state. Yes, you have to remember it. Large country India is required to proper by six balance between six pillar federalism, autonomy of a state, national integration, centralization, decentralization, nationalization, and recognition, extreme political and centralization or chaotic politic decentralization, and both lead to the weakening of the India federalism. It is a very important in this topic. So stay this India six pillar, and then Union government was the repassing by the state autonomy by one a point of the will gradually by the state against the thin national unity. Controlling these are the stream of silence, federalism, recognize need for the national unity on the hand of the other is regional autonomy. It is a very important this topic. National unity on this one hand. So challenge federalism. Next, sell outlet of the publication of the division. New Delhi, New Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, Tiruvananthapuram, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Patna, Lucknow, Ahmedabad. It is the sales outlet of the publication of the division. Thank you.